My name is Don Syme and I work for Microsoft.
My name is Scott Hunter and I work at Microsoft.
My name is Igor. I work at Microsoft.
My name is Lace. I'm a senior software engineer in Microsoft.
I'm Karel Zikmund and I work in Seattle for Microsoft.
So tonight I'm going to talk about a new technology we have called Blazor. And so if you're a web developer and you want to make your web app feel like a spa, we have new technology that makes building those apps easier than ever. That's one of these modern web apps where it feels more like a desktop application.
I'm here for the NDC Sydney, which is a cool conference. It's my first time actually for me to be in Australia and New Zealand area, so it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be talking about war stories from .NET team. So those are basically stories I lived through, I kind of experience, me or my colleagues, which are interesting, can give people a sneak peek into what's happening behind the scenes of .NET.
Tonight I'm going to be speaking about the data DevOps in the modern data warehouse on Microsoft Azure. So essentially it's how you would operationalize a data pipeline that's built on Microsoft Azure using the modern data warehouse pattern. So we go into a company, we sit down with the developers of that company, and then we actually build something with the developers. So we get to see lots of different use cases of how customers actually use our technology in Azure, but also how we can help them and enable them and empower them so that they can do the technology on Azure the right way.
I'm involved in a technology called F#. I originated the technology about 18 years ago, and I'm going to be talking really about the F# community and about how it works.
Everyone expects that the cloud and mobile is the technology of choice today, but I'm going to talk about desktop. Desktop is not that. I've been a long-time user of Windows desktop development, and for me it's extremely exciting to be part of the team that builds technology I've been using myself for the past 20 years.
My favorite part of my job is actually coming to places like this so I can meet different people. Microsoft's a very different company than we were many years ago. We are now this open source, cross-platform, we're in the cloud. I hope people come and think that we're not the old Microsoft, we're this new Microsoft, and realize that all the tech that we build is totally free and open to anybody to use.